Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you people how to turn off service indicator icon. See, in this you can see that service indicator icon is shown on my Royal Wheel under 350. So I'm going to show you people how to get rid of it. So first what you have to do is you have to go to trip B. See, now it is on odometer trip 1. Pressing the I button here, you can see this I button will go to trip B. Okay, hold it for 10 seconds. So I'll press and hold now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now I have to turn off and I shouldn't leave the I button. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 20 seconds are over. I'll turn it on, but I won't leave the I button. So keep on holding for a while. In some time the I button should keep on flashing and it should go off. Yeah, you can see that. See, the I button is gone. So first you have to press and hold in the trip B, then for 10 seconds turn off the ignition, but don't leave the I button. Keep on holding it for another 20 seconds while it was off. Okay, and then after 20 seconds you have to again turn it on. So after turning it on also, at least for 10 seconds you have to keep on holding. So in the whole time we are holding the I button, and after that 10 seconds the service indication icon will be gone. So that's it guys, the simple thing. Anytime, because actually I have done a service long before, so my bike has recently reached 10,000 kilometers. So like that only they have started showing, so it is not necessary for me. So that's why anyway my service is long later, so I have to do this. So I think this video help you people. If any other queries you can put on the comments below. So that's it guys, hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.